has it turned in 10 seconds 10 সেকেন্ড পিছত ট্ৰেইনখনে তাৰ সেন্টাৰত কিমান ডিগ্ৰী এংগল ক্ৰিয়েট কৰে what degree not in radians আমাক ডিগ্ৰীত খুদিছে বস্তুটো ঠিক আছে আচ্ছা ফার্স্ট অফ অল আমি ইয়াত চাম আমাক কি লাগিব what degree angle is theta লাগে we have given r দিয়া আছে আমি r পাই যাম আকৌ আমাক indirectly l উলিয়াব পৰা সুবিধা দিয়া আছে because the train moving in a circular path at the rate of 66 km per hour এটো মিটার এটো কিলোমিটার আছে আমি ইউনিট দুটা একে কৰি লব লাগিব হয়তো মিটার টু কিলোমিটার বনাব লাগিব হয়তো কিলোমিটার টু মিটার বনাব লাগিব ইয়াত যেটো ডাঙৰ ফিগার দিয়া আছে আমি মিটার টু কিলোমিটার বনাই লম ঠিক আছে সলিউশন let r be the radius therefore r equal to 1500 meter 1500 divided by 1000 which is converted into 1.5 kilometer 10 second actually kiman distance goise amak etu lage right na distance divided by time is the speed right so in 1 hour we should get 66 kilometer so in 1 hour or 60 minutes the train moves 66 kilometers distance circular distance in 1 hour or 60 minutes we have to give it 10 seconds that means 60 minutes to kami prathomte ki hole 1 minute jani bole therefore in 1 minute the train moves 66 by 60 66 by 60 also divisible by 6 both of these 11 by 10 kilometer right one minute means in 60 seconds that is in 60 seconds the train moves 11 by 10 kilometer therefore in 1 second the train moved 11 by 10 into 60 km and in 10 seconds the train moves 11 by 10 into 60 into 10 kilometer that means 10 cancel 11 by 60 kilometer which is the arc length which is taken as L so we have r equal to 1.5 right therefore L equal to 11 by 60 r equal to 1.5 let the arc length of L subtends angle theta at the center. Therefore, theta equal to L by R. So L is 11 by 60 and R is 1.5. L is 11 by 60 and this is 1.5, which is 11 by 60 into 1 by 1.5. 15 6 are 90. That means this is 900. For a decimal place, it should be 90. এটা দশমিক আহি যাব নহয়, এই কাৰণে 900 তো জায়গা কি আহি যাব 90 আহি যাব। আচ্ছা, but we have to find the angle in degree measurement, not in radian measurement. It's 11 by 90, which is radian. আমাক কিহত উলিয়াব দিছে ডিগ্ৰী। কোৱেশ্চনটো তো এনেকৈ দিয়া আছে, what degree angle, right? Now we have pi radian equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 1 radian equal to 180 by pi. Therefore, 11 by 90 radian equal to 180. Pi means 7 by 122 by 7. So 1 by pi means 7 by 22 into 11 by 90. Sorry, 11 by 90, which is in degree. It's too hot. So 11 2s are 22, 2 90s are 180, 90 cancel. We have only 7. The base is it's simple, 7 degree. Correct. So I have given you few examples only, a little bit of examples, and further if you have any reference books, then you get various questions on this topic, right? So dear student, we are going to moving the trigonometric functions. আমি trigonometryৰ ওপৰত হাই স্কুল লেভেলত অলপ শিকি আহিছোঁ যে acute angles বা right angle triangles ৰেচিঅ হিচাপত আমি তাক জানো perpendicular divided by hypotenuse divided by base, something like that, sine cosine tan cos আমি ছয়টা trigonometric ratios বিষয়ে অলপ জানো। কিন্তু সেইখিনি জানাৰ আগতে trigonometry as a function আমি পঢ়ি ল'ব লাগিব। Trigonometry as a function, trigonometric function, there are, it is a new term, function. What is function? So let me elaborate. Function is a specific kind of relation. It is simple definition of functions. Function is a specific kind of relation. Follow hole, function means follow hole এক বিশেষ ধৰণৰ সম্বন্ধ। আচ্ছা, so what about relation? Relation মানে কি হয়? Simple. Relation means relation is the subset of cross products of two sets. It sounds simple. The relation is the subset of cross products of two sets. There are new term arises. One is subset, another is the cross product. I think sets will be discussed in your sets class, taken by another faculty. Now I am going to give you a rough idea about functions relations, right? So listen me carefully. So what is subset? We know that set is a collection of well-defined objects. So we are not going to discuss about sets. আমি সেটৰ ওপৰত ডিসকাস কৰিব না। সেটস আমি অলপ সলব হলেও গম পাইছো কি হয় সংহতি কি বস্তু। আচ্ছা, say A is, suppose AB, and B is say 1 2 3, How many numbers of elements in the set A is 2? And how many numbers of elements? 3. 3 in set B, which is called the cardinal numbers. Ami eta সমষ্টিত যিমানটা মূল থাকে তাক আমি cardinal number বুলি কওঁ. That means NA equal to 2, NB equal to 3. Right. Now, cross products of two sets. Cross products of two sets. A cross B is in the form of a ordered pair. A cross B যিবিলাক result থাকিব নহয় কিয়তে এটা ordered pair form কৰিব. Ordered pair means ক্ৰমিত জোড়. এটা ক্ৰম হিচাপত থাকিব. In which order? Such that X belongs to A and Y belongs to B. That means the first element comes from the first set, the second one comes from the second set. Clear? And B cross A also. We get A cross B and B cross A also, which is in the form of YX. Such that Y belongs to B and X belongs to A. Right? This is the definition. The written form in this is called roster form, and in this is called set builder form. Now, if we try to write A cross B and B cross A in roster form, so A cross B, the first element comes from the first set and the second element comes from the second set. That means which is in the form of a ordered pair A1, A1, A2, A3, A2, A3. Again B1, B2, B3, B1, B2 and B. Again B cross A is X. Then 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. This is 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. I'm going to giving you a rough idea about relation and function. It will be detailed discussed in your function chapter. Okay. Now, if we have two sets A and B, A contain 2 elements and B contains 3 elements, then A cross B and B cross A contain same numbers of elements, that is 6. 2 into 3, 6. 2, 3 are 6 elements. But A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Since why? Two ordered pairs are equal. Say AB equal to CB. If and only if A equal to C and B equal to B. The first element equal to the first element of the right hand side, the second element of the left hand side is equal to the second element of the right hand side. But here A is not equal to 1, which have not given that. Amak diya nahi je A to A saman hobo. That's so what A cross B equal to B is not equal to B cross A. In generally A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Specially A cross B equal to B cross A when A equal to B. So the A equal to B. Achha. This is the cross product. This is known as cross product. These are known as the ordered pair. This is an element which are elements of A cross B. A is a set, B is a set, and A cross B is also a set. A to jodi eta সংহতি, B to jodi eta সংহতি, তেনেহলে A cross B eta কি হ'ব? সংহতিয়ে হ'ব। বুজি পাইছা? ইয়াৰ এলিমেন্টস বিলাক কিন্তু কি ফৰ্মত থাকিব? Ordered pair ফৰ্মত থাকিব। ঠিক আছে? Simple. Now, we tell about the relation. The relation is a subset of the cross products of two sets. Right? We are going to discuss about relation. Let R is a relation from set A to set B. Then R is a subset of A cross B. Another term is the subset. So what is the definition of subset? Say, let A and B be two sets. If every element in set A are in set B, then set A is called the subset of set A. That means if we have two sets, we have given the two sets A and B. If all the elements in the set A are in set B, then set A is called the subset of set B, and set B is also called the superset of subset. So set A, if one set to be a subset of another set, that means all the elements in the set A must in the set B, is in the set B. For example, say A is A, B, C, and B is A, B, C, D. We get that A is here, B is here, C is here, right? So A is a subset of B, which is written form. A is a subset of B, but B is not a subset of A because here one element D which is not in A. So A is a subset of B. So if R is a relation from set A to set B, then R is a subset of A cross B. Then R is a subset of A cross B. So what kind of relation is this? Let R is a relation. Let us take an example. A is apple, ball, bat and dog. Say elements of set A is apple, ball, bat, dog. Right? And set B is only three elements A, B, C. Yet kunyo karo subset no. But relation let R is a relation from the set A to the set B defined as R to can R equal to XY form XY because R is the subset of A cross B. So A cross B R elements ordered pair মই আগতে কৈছো এটো ডিটেইল ডিসকাস কৰিব এন্ড এটা টিচাৰে তোমালোকৰ ফাংচন চেপ্টাৰটো ঠিক আছে মই ৰাফ আইডিয়াটো দিছো ট্ৰিগনোমেট্ৰিক ফাংচন পঢ়াৰ সুবিধাৰ কাৰণে সো R equal to XY here আমি ধৰি লৈছো যে Y is the first alphabet of the word X. Y is the first alphabet of the word X. তুমি চাইলা ইয়াৰ এটা ৰিলেচন আছে ৰিলেচন যে এইটো দা সেটত যে এইটো অকল ৰিলেচন এনেকুৱা নহয় দে বহুত ৰিলেচন আছে এইটো আমি ধৰি লৈছো যে কেনেকুৱা ৰিলেচন তাৰ মানে এপলৰ ৰিলেচন এৰ লগতে আছে Y is the second element that means Y belongs to B and X is the first element right where X belongs to A and Y belongs to B. Y to kot thakibo B ebila ABC bila Y hone aru ebila kilo X boli hoy that means Y is the first element of the word X tar mane a word to jitu first element ase tar logote here relation ase যেনেকে এপলৰ ৰিলেচন বি আৰু সি ৰ লগত নাই বিকজ এপল ষ্টাৰ্ট উইথ দ্য ৱৰ্ড এলফাবেট এ তনে এপলৰ ৰিলেচন কাৰ লগত আছে এ লগত ঠিক তেনেকৈ বল আৰু বেটৰ ৰিলেচন সি আৰু এৰ লগত নাই কিন্তু কাৰ লগত আছে বি ৰ লগত বাট ডগৰ ৰিলেচন কাৰ লগতে নাই let us make an arrow diagram of this example right I mean ইয়াৰে arrow diagram এটা বনাইছো This is very important. Say A and B be two sets. Apple, ball, bat, and dog. A, B, and C. Right. আমার রিলেশনটো মতে কাৰ সম্পৰ্ক থাকিব কাৰ লগত এটো এই যে আমি এৰো মাৰ্কস দিছো এইটোকে কোৱা যায় এৰো ডায়াগ্ৰাম বি ৰিলেশন ইয়াৰ লগত বেটৰ ৰিলেশন ইয়াৰ লগত ডগৰ কাৰ লগত ৰিলেশন নাই না which C is a relation R from A to B as the xy as the y is the first element of the word x and x belongs to the first set, y belongs to the second set. That means if we write the relation in roster form, we get that apple A, ball B, bat B. Which is also a set কিন্তু এটো কিন্তু সেটে মনত ৰাখিবা এবিলাকো সেটে কিন্তু বা ইয়াৰ সেট বিলাক কি হৈ আছে কার্টেসিয়ান প্রোডাক্টসৰ সাবসেট কাৰণে এনেকুৱা হৈ আছে এলিমেন্টস ঠিক আছে আচ্ছা আমি যদি কার্টেসিয়ান প্ৰোডাক্টসৰ ওপৰত ডিপেন্ড কৰি কিনে a ক্রস b টো উলিয়াও এই এলিমেন্টস এইবিলাক b এলিমেন্টস এটা কি পাম a ক্রস b কি পাম অ্যাপল a apple B, apple C. B. Apple C. Then ball A. Ball B. Ball C. Bat A. Bat B. Bat C, dog A, dog B, and dog C. Obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 because in the set A has A contain 4 numbers of elements and set B contain 3 numbers of elements. Multiply them 4 into 3, 12. 12 numbers of elements in the